Assalamualaikum, my kith and kins, my flesh and bloods, my friend and foes. I am your host Rizwan Noor from the Winners Academy Kharan. In today's lecture series, I am going to give a lecture on the participle, which is one of the most important term of English grammar. So have a glance here that participle, when verb first with ing works both as a verb and as an adjective, is called participle. How? For example, you have a dancing doll. Dancing is our adjective and the doll is our noun. And the second sentence, having played chess, she took rest. It is our perfect participle. It is also a sentence of participle. So there are three main types of participle. For example, the first one is our present participle, the second one is our past participle, and the third one is our perfect participle. Present participle. When verb first with ing works as a verb, adverb, and as an adjective is called present participle. How? For example, I am going to school. Here the going is our verb and actually it is our participle. So how it works as a head verb. For example, you were coming dancing. आप नाचते हुए आ रहे थे. Here the dancing is our head verb. It is working as a head verb, but actually it is present participle. So how it works as a adjective? For example, you bought a talking doll. Here the talking is our adjective, but it is modifying the noun. Always remember that adjective always come before the noun. Here it is modifying. It is a modifier of the noun. So I will come towards the past participle. What is past participle? What that form is called past participle. It works as a verb and as an adjective. How it works as a verb? For example, you have boiled eggs. Here the boiled is our main verb. It is past participle because the each and every verb, third form of the verb is called past participle. And how it works as a adjective? For example, she lives in a burnt house. Here the burnt is our past participle because it is our adjective and it is modifying that house. That house is our noun. So I'll come the third type that is very necessary for us. That is perfect participle. What is perfect participle? It is used to show that a person completed an action and started another action in past. How? For example, having eaten food, she slept. Having eaten food is our first verb and she slept is our second sentence that we started it in past. So another sentence I want to give you that having eaten food, having played chess, as I gave you that before, having played chess, she took rest. Here it is also perfect participle. And we can, the main thing is that we can make these sentences change into the passive voice. How? For example, having been insulted, she wept. बेइज्जत होके वो रो पड़ी. Because these are called the perfect participle. These are the main theme of our English grammar. These are very necessary for our students and they have to know these regarding these things. So at last I would like to say that please share this video and don't forget to subscribe this page. Thank you very much.